Hello farmer. Today, I want to tell you about fin rot diseases and how you can eliminate it in your farm. Make sure you understand everything I'm about to tell you today because this disease is a common one and has high rate of mortality. Before I start, I want you to know that this is bacteria disease which is curable. So the question should be, what is a bacteria? Bacteria is large group of single-cell microorganisms. Some cause infections and disease in animals and humans. Now you know what bacteria is, let's focus on fin rot. I guess everybody here will know what is called fin. If don't know, check this picture. Those part pointed out are called fin and it called rot because the fin will rot. Okay. I guess this explanation is simple. Fin rot starts at the edge of your fish's fins, destroying more and more tissue until it reaches the base. At this point, your fish will never be able to regenerate the lost tissue, and the disease may start to attack its body. I believe none of you want your fishes to die or sick. That is more reason you to understand the prevention measure to secure your investment and be happy as a farmer. Physical symbol or signs of fin rot. 1. Milky white areas appearing in the fish's fins or tail, particularly around the edges. If you view the first video I sent at the beginning, you will notice some part if the fish is white, that is affected region. 2. Shredded looking and tattered fins decreasing in length, so if your fishes are like 20 centimeters long due to the bacteria, if will reduce. 3. Exposed fin rays. 4. Increasing difficulty swimming. Potential causes. Fin rot is often caused by several bacterial diseases such as Flavobacterium columnare, Aeromonas, and Pseudomonas. However, although it's caused by these types of bacteria, the root cause of fin rot is always due to the fish's environment. A poorly maintained tank or exposure to stress is a contributing factor. When fish are moved, housed in an overcrowded tank, or with aggressive fish that chase and nip at their fins, they're more vulnerable to fin rot. How to treat fin rot disease? There are 3 ways you can go about treating fin rot: environmental, antibacterial, and antibiotics. Fixing your aquarium's environment is fundamental and will prevent further issues. Perform a couple of large 20 to 50% water changes with clean, aged water, and attempt to remove as much debris and detritus as you can. You should check and clean all your filters. Give the gravel a good clean, especially if you're using an under gravel filter. Test for ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. Look out for any tank bullies that could be nipping or fighting with other fish. You may have to remove them. If your tank is overcrowded, you'll need to rehome some of them. For antibacterial treatments, most commercially available medicines can be effective. Melafix is a good example. If you can, separate the infected fish and always follow the instructions. If you catch fin rot early enough, you shouldn't need to use antibiotics. But, if you do, you'll want one that's effective against gram-negative organisms.